Hello, I'm Chantel here from Sugaring Change, and I'm going to walk you through all the steps that you need to take to successfully use your at-home sugaring kit. So the first thing you want to do is start with a clean workspace. You can lay down a towel on your bathroom floor to stand on or to sit on, depending on which part of the body you're going to be sugaring today. The next thing you want to do is make sure your skin is nice and clean. So to do that, it's best if you can be freshly showered and not have any lotion on your skin. And then we've also provided a micellar water cleanser for you to use. So this can be sprayed directly on the skin or on a little cotton pad, and you can apply it that way. So today I'm just going to mist it right onto my skin. And I'm going to grab a little cotton pad and just wipe the excess off. Now this doesn't need to be rinsed at all. Just needs to be wiped. The next step is to use our drying powder. You're just going to do a nice light sprinkle, and this is going to fluff up the hair and absorb any excess moisture. And now we're ready to add the sugar paste. Our sugar paste comes in a nice container that you can pop right into the microwave. We recommend putting it in for 20 seconds to start and then doing 5-second intervals. If your paste gets too hot, it's going to take quite a while for it to cool down. So it's better to just gradually heat it up and be sure to do a spot test before you apply it to a larger section. It should be the consistency of honey, and you want to take your spatula and really mix the paste around, because as most things that get heated in the microwave, it's going to be warmer right in the center. So you just want to mix the sugar paste so you have an even temperature throughout. Now, if your sugar paste is too cool, it's going to really tug on your hair when you apply it. And if it's too hot, then it has potential to burn your skin. So doing that patch test is really important. So we're just going to start with a small amount of sugar paste, spinning the spatula around so I don't make a mess. And I'm removing hair from my arm today, so I'm going to be molding the sugar paste on against the direction of growth. So we're just going to start on the side and mold against the direction of growth. Now, if you look closely at your hair, no matter what part of the body you're working on, you want to see which direction the hair is growing. So on my arm, it's growing this way. So that means I'm going to be molding the paste against the direction this way. And then when I remove it, I'm going to pull the strip in the direction that the hair is naturally growing, and that's going to minimize breakage for you, okay? So I'm just going to mold over one more time. Perfect. Got a good little section there. And I'm going to take my polycotton strip that came in my kit, and I'm just going to mold it onto my skin there, just pressing it down. And then I want to make sure I have a good strong grip on the edge of the strip here, and then I'm just going to pull as fast as I can. Now before I pull, I want to make sure that my skin is as tight as possible, and because I don't have the luxury of using this hand to support my skin, I'm actually going to flex my muscle and then I'm going to pull across the skin. If I pull up, there's potential for bruising, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to grab nice firm edge here, straighten my arm here to tighten the skin, and pull. Perfect. And you can apply pressure if you need, if it's feeling a little tender, but I think you can handle it. Perfect. So my hair was removed successfully, and I'm going to show you the aftercare products that we're going to use too. So when you've finished removing all the hair that you need to remove, you're going to use the Soothe as your next step. This is the tea tree and witch hazel blend. The tea tree is an antiseptic, and the witch hazel is a nice astringent, so it's going to tighten the skin for you and help prevent bacteria from getting in that follicle. So I'm just going to mist the skin and then put a little bit of the hydrate on. It smells amazing and it's nice and soothing as well. And you don't need a lot, just a touch. Perfect. And I'm all done.